Alright guys, got the spreader behind me. I'm hauling today. My uncle's he has been chisel plowing back here. This is our farthest back field where we finished chopping corn silage this year. And we hauled a lot back here. Got this whole thing covered pretty well. You can still see crap on the ground there. So he's working it in here with the chisel plow. And then, we should be able to haul some more on it this spring and then disc it. This year the corn back here was really bad. We just didn't get back here and we didn't get it chisel plowed last year, so. What this is here is our drainage pit. So whatever wash water or water we spray in the parlor, it runs down through here, through the drains. And then if the spreader's not under the push-off ramp, then whatever water drains out of the freestall barn drains into here as well. So it builds up solids over here, and then it's still solids on top, but it gets more liquidy as you go. And then it drains all the way down a tube, all the way to our old lagoon pit. So, yeah, that's what this is. And we're cleaning it before winter, because last year we had a big mess. It froze right on top of the pipe that goes into the ground over here on the corner, where the liquids drain to the lagoon. Over there somewhere, plugged up because it was frozen, and then all the water was running around, and we created it was just a big mess. So we don't want that to happen again before it gets cold, so I'm getting it cleaned out here before it gets too cold. Alright, so this is our neighbor's field that we hauled those stock bales off of. So after we do that, we always haul as much manure up here as we can for them, since taking stalks off takes away a lot of fertilizer, so, or nutrients, whatever. So put a little bit more on there for them. right, got it all cleaned out. Take this load out. And we're done with that.